I notice that people sometimes assume that because I use things like, say, shellac or hand-fit joints, I'm trying to hold on to tradition. But for me, tradition isn't necessarily the goal. It's the byproduct of something that just works. Now, I have a lot of respect for traditional craftsmanship, but I don't follow it blindly. The reason that a method becomes traditional in the first place is because it proved itself. It earned its place over time. And that matters. Shellac is a good example. It's been used for centuries, really. But I'm not using it to be nostalgic. I use it because it gives me control. It dries fast. It seals the drum really well. And it's easy to work with. It just makes sense. So yeah, it happens to be traditional, but it's also just practical right here and right now. And that's how I approach everything in the shop, really. Whether it's joinery, wood selection, or finishing. I ask one question. Does this serve the drum? And if it does, I use it. It doesn't matter to me if it's a method that's 200 years old or something I just figured out last week. The truth is, traditional craftsmanship was all about quality. Those guys weren't trying to make things fast or cheap. They were simply trying to make them last. And that's the part that I care about. And yeah, I've seen plenty of new techniques come along that are all about speed or profitability. I'm not interested in that. I'm not chasing those things. I'm chasing consistency, tone, and longevity. So yeah, when you see something in one of my drums that may feel traditional to you, just know that it's there for a reason. I didn't choose it because it's old. I chose it because it works. Now, I care about tradition, but I care more about the instrument. And that's what guides every decision I make in this shop.